Green tea benefits for a flawless skin. Benefits: removes blackheads, improves skin complexion, reduces puffy eyes and dark circles, fights skin cancer, reduces tan, anti-aging, treats oily skin, treats acne and pimples, sun protection. St. Ives Green Tea Scrub Blackhead Clearing Review. Description: made with 100% natural exfoliants, oil-free salicylic acid acne medication, clears blackheads and unclogs pores, paraben-free, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, exfoliation factor moderate. Uses: for the management of acne, helps keep skin clear of new blackheads and acne blemishes. Suggested use: dispense scrub onto fingertips and massage onto damp skin. Spread in small circular motions, then rinse and glow. For best results, use 3 to 4 times a week. Warnings: for external use only. When using this product, skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. If irritation occurs, only use one topical acne medication at a time. Keep out of reach of children. If swallow, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Custom reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.